So, today's video is about setting up the business tool on WhatsApp. First, let's go to the Tools section in WhatsApp. Now, click on the profile. Next, enter your full business name in the Business Names section. Then, choose your category, like I've selected Editor for my business. Now, add your business address, which is the address of your business location. Next, you can add your website, social media ID, or anything else. Now, you need to add your business email address. Then, write a detailed description at the bottom, explaining about your business. It also asks how many hours you would like to work, so select your hours. In the Product Management section, you need to fill in your legal name, company name, and business address, but these fields are optional. Next, you can join your Instagram or Facebook links here. Lastly, there is a section for business details, which is also optional, like your name and so on. I hope you understood how to set up this tool from the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.